right, we're also going to look at 1/3 x is equal to 5. So I've entered that in Equatio. I'm going to set up my workspace here. All right, so I'm going to bring over an x. Now let's go ahead and talk about that x. We don't need the entire x. We only need 1/3 of the x. So I am going to split this x into 3 equal parts. And because I only want to focus on 1/3 of that, I'm going to go ahead and cover these 2/3. I'm going to shade those in because we don't need to focus on those. We're just focusing on the 1/3 x. So 1/3 x is equal to 5. I'm going to bring over positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. All right, so if 1/3 x is equal to 5, what is the entire x worth? Well, let's go ahead and peel this back a little bit here. So if 1/3 x was equal to 5, what would 2/3 x be equal to? Well, we double the number of thirds, so we're going to double 5. 1/3 times 2 is 2/3, and 5 times 2 is 10. All right, but that only gets us to 2/3 x, and we're looking for x. So what do we know about 3/3? Well, 3/3 is equal to a whole. So now we have 3/3. We've added another third, so we need to add another group of 5. Let's see what we've done here. We started with 1/3. How did we get from 1/3 to 3/3? What math did we do? Well, 1/3 times 3 is 3/3. We started with 5 and we ended with 5, 10, 15. How did we do that mathematically, starting at 5 and ending at 15? Well, we tripled it. We multiplied by 3. So what we did was we multiplied by 3 on both sides of the equal sign. So I want to go ahead and notate that up here. 3 times 1/3, or 3/1 times 1/3. 3 groups of a third is a whole. And then on the other side, I'm going to notate that as well, 5 times 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. So let's go ahead and write what we know now. So 3 groups of a third is a whole. So we have x is equal to 3 groups of 5 is 15. So x is equal to 15. Now let's check that out. If 1/3 of x equals 5, let's substitute 15 for x. 1/3 of 15. Well, if we split 15 into 3 equal groups, we will get 5. So x is equal to 15.